An LED has two legs. One is longer than the other. The long one is called the anode. It's the positive side, and it will be connected to the 5 volt, usually the 5 volt on the Arduino board. And the other one, the shorter leg, is called the cathode, and this is usually connected to ground. Okay, now we will begin wiring the Arduino board. We will first take a jumper wire and connect it to the corner of the breadboard. We'll take the other end of the jumper wire and connect it to the ground pin on the digital side of the Arduino board. Now all the pins in this row are connected to ground. Now we'll take a 220 ohm resistor and connect one leg of that resistor to ground and the other leg somewhere on the breadboard. So now this leg is connected to ground. Now we'll take an LED and connect the cathode, the shorter leg of the LED, to the other leg of the resistor. Like so. Now we will connect the anode leg of the LED to pin 5 on the digital side of the Arduino board. As you see here. Now we'll repeat this process. We'll add a second resistor. One leg will be connected to ground, to the same row, and the other leg will be connected somewhere on the breadboard where it's not touching any of the previous components. So on a free row, like so. That leg of that second resistor will be connected to the cathode of the second LED. And the anode leg, the long leg of the LED, will be connected to digital pin 6 on the Arduino board. One last time, we'll add a third resistor. One leg will be connected to ground and the other leg will be connected to a free row where it's not touching any of the previous components. This leg is not touching any of the previous components. Now we're going to add a third LED, and the cathode leg of the LED will be connected to the free leg of the third resistor. We will connect the anode to digital pin 9. Now we will connect the Arduino to the PC and upload our sketch. Okay, so this is our sketch, and we will begin by defining our LEDs. Our LEDs are connected to pin 5, 6, and 9. So we declare 3 variables, LED 1, 2, and 3. LED 1 will be given the value 5, LED 2 will be given the value 6, and LED 3 will be given the value 9 because those are the pins that our LEDs are connected to. Now we have to initialize initialize these pins as digital output. We do that in our setup section of the sketch. We use pin mode function, the pin mode function, to declare LED1 or pin 5 as an output, a digital output pin. And we do the same with LED2. Pin mode LED2 comma output defines LED2 as digital output pin. We do the same with LED3, and we define that or initialize that as a digital output pin. Next, in our loop section, we would like to try and turn on and off each LED on for 1 second, then off, and then we go to the next one, the second LED on for 1 second, and then turn it off, and then we go to the third LED, we turn it on for 1 second, and then turn it off, and then we loop again, and we do the same process over and over again. Okay, so how do we do this? We will use the digital write function to send the signal to a specific pin. So we can send the high signal or a low signal. So if we say digital write LED1 high, we are sending a high signal to pin 5. This will turn on LED1. Then we have to tell the Arduino to wait for 1 second. So we use the delay function to tell the Arduino to wait for 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. This will stop everything for 1 second, and then we use the digital write function again to send the low signal to pin 5 or LED1. This will turn off LED1. We do the same for LED2 and LED3. We turn it on for 1 second and then off, and then we turn on LED3 for 1 second and then turn it off. Now let's compile and upload the code to the Arduino board. Click on the upload button to compile and upload at the same time. And this is the end result. Each LED turns on for 1 second and then off, and then the next one turns on for 1 second and then off, over and over again. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.